When it comes to taxes, being married can be a financial bonus. Take couple A. One person earns $300,000 and the other person doesn't work. To keep things simple, we'll say as a couple they pay $30,000 in local and state taxes, have no children, and no deductions to itemize. For 2013, they would get an $11,000 tax bonus. How's that possible? First thing to know, in our tax system, people who earn more money are taxed at a higher percentage. In tax parlance, they're put in a higher tax bracket. In the eyes of Uncle Sam, couple A's $300,000 is spread between two people. They're in a lower tax bracket than a single person who makes the same amount of money, and therefore pay a lower tax percentage. On the other hand, Uncle Sam penalizes other couples for being married. When does that happen? Couples can face a so-called marriage penalty when they earn around the same amount of money. Take couple B. The husband and wife make $150,000 each. Individually, that would put them in one of the upper middle tax brackets. But because the U.S. tax system stacks one partner's earnings atop the other's, their combined $300,000 moves them, as a couple, into a higher income bracket than they'd be in individually. The result? Uncle Sam rakes in $8,000 more from them than he would have if these two taxpayers were single. Can lower income couples get hit with the marriage penalty? Indeed. Take couple C. You have a mother with two kids. She earns $15,000 and marries a man who earns $30,000. Thanks to their combined income, she forfeits some of her earned income tax credit, a benefit for low to moderate income workers. The result? A $3,600 penalty. Yikes! So if you know you're going to face a marriage penalty, can you time your wedding to save on taxes? To avoid the penalty, a couple that hopes to save on their 2014 taxes could wait until January 1st, 2015 to tie the knot. On the flip side, suspiciously timed divorces have triggered IRS investigations. What about same-sex married couples? Last year's Supreme Court decision made gay marriage legal at the federal level. So couples who are married in states where it was legal before 2013 are filing their taxes jointly for the very first time. Some of them have for years missed out on marriage bonuses they would have received. The IRS has decided to let them amend past returns up to 3 years to claim refunds. Welcome to the joys and penalties of marriage.